Hi and welcome to our review of the Euromaster trading robot. This trading robot is doing very well in the MetaTrader marketplace, and so we thought we would take a look. What is impressive is that it has had a 95% win rate on all its trades since 2004 in backtests. So there is both a MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 version of this trading robot, and the author states that there is no grid, martingale or averaging techniques. These are considered dangerous trading techniques. It's called Euromaster because it's made only for the euro-dollar pair, trading the 5-minute time frame. And here is the product description page. It's currently selling for $499, and like a lot of other authors, the price goes up as they sell more of it. At the bottom there it says, before you buy Euromaster Expert Advisor, please be aware of the risks involved, and there are some real risks which I'll tell you about later in the video. Before I continue, I want to tell you about our subscription site on Patreon. This is for those people interested in additional set files for reviewed trading robots for more profit or other forex pairs. I also make trading robots, and these are also available for subscribers. If you would like to find out more, go to the link on the screen there, www.patreon.com/Mr. Allen Forex. And for best results and the safety of your funds, please ensure you use a regulated broker and VPS. A VPS is a computer you remote control into that is left on 24/7 that hosts your MetaTrader platform and trading robot. It's able to trade without interruption. A good VPS provider will also be situated in the same data center as your broker. Our recommended broker and VPS provider are provided in the description box below. So, moving on to the backtests. We will be using the default settings on Eurodollar in the 5-minute time frame. We will be using the tick data suite for high quality backtests, and we will be backtesting from 2004 to the end of 2020, so a good 16 years of backtesting. And here are the results: 1k to 1.1 million and almost a 98% win ratio, which looks extremely impressive. It does scale into the trades as the account grows, and you can see that in the volume bar. All looks great, but let's look under the hood and dig into a bit more detail. The main takeaway from this is that for each trade there is a 9 pip take profit versus a 270 pip stop loss. The stop loss is 30 times bigger than each take profit. That's massive. I've never seen such a massive risk to reward. This is what the author means when he says beware of the risks. I know the backtests are impressive, but this is a major and off-putting downside. Because of the large stop loss, I looked at the backtest history, and there is a trade which took 58 days to close out. As this trading robot doesn't open a new trade until the previous position closes, it means that you would have had to wait 2 months for the next trade and also pay swaps. So in summary, fantastic looking backtests, but there's a reason and downside to it. If you're okay with it all, great, this could work for you. However, it has been designed just for the euro-dollar pair, but there are options for optimization, so it could be possible that it would work on other pairs. If you like the look of this trading robot, you can download this from the links on the screen or from the MetaTrader terminal. And finally, thanks again for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you want more from your trading, be sure to visit our Patreon page. Until next time, bye.